Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error. This experience isn't available due to your account settings. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To access Roblox.com, insert the app is closed. Check your account's functionality and access your account settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. To resolve the issue of unable to join a Roblox experience, ensure that your account restrictions are turned off in the privacy section of your settings and not set to no one, like the who can message me, etc. Set instead to your friends, etc., but not to no one. Set the allowed experiences option to 13 plus for access to all Roblox experiences under parental control section. Others provide parents pin to modify settings. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.